Windows 11, the latest operating system from Microsoft, brings a refreshed user interface and enhanced features. However, there are times when a system reset becomes necessary to resolve issues or start afresh. A factory reset can help eliminate persistent problems or prepare the system for resale. Performing a factory reset on Windows 11 isn't a complex task if you follow the right steps. Here's a step-by-step guide. Backup your data. Before initiating the reset process, ensure you have backed up all important files to an external drive or cloud storage. A factory reset erases everything on the system drive, so this step is crucial to prevent data loss. Access settings. Click on the Start menu, then select Settings gear icon or press Windows key plus I to open settings directly. Navigate to Systems. Within Settings, select System from the options. Choose Recovery. On the left sidebar, click on Recovery. Under the Reset PC section, click on Reset PC. Begin Reset. Click on Get Started under the Reset this PC section. Choose Reset option. You will be prompted to choose between keeping files or removing everything. Select Remove Everything to perform a full factory reset. Initiate reset. Follow the on-screen instructions to confirm your selection and proceed. Windows 11 will start the reset process, which might take some time depending on your system configuration. Complete setup. Once the reset is complete, Windows 11 will reboot and you will be guided through the initial setup process similar to when you first acquired the system. Remember, a factory reset erases all installed applications and settings, so ensure you have installation media or access to re-download necessary software afterward. Performing a factory reset can breathe new life into a sluggish system or resolve persistent issues, offering a clean slate for optimal performance. By following the steps shown in this video, you can confidently perform a factory reset on your Windows 11 device, ensuring a smoother and more efficient computing experience. Thank you for watching.
If you like this video, then don't forget to press the like button. Also, do share it with your friends and families. For more videos like these, do subscribe to Gossipfunda YouTube channel. You can read more such amazing blogs on our website. Visit gossipfunda.com. Link is in the description box. Do check it out. See you in the next video.